Did you know AI can now assign a course, personalize it, and trigger feedback before your team even replies to an email thread? While you're still chasing updates, it's already closing skill gaps. This isn't support. It's initiative. Autonomous agentic AI isn't waiting for inputs. It spots problems, makes decisions, and acts like a learning partner that never logs off. It detects gaps in real time, sends the right module, tweaks the scenario mid-session. It doesn't automate your checklist, it rewrites your playbook. This isn't theory. It's live, in healthcare simulations, retail onboarding, compliance in finance, and just-in-time safety training on factory floors. In the US and Europe, this AI isn't in testing, it's already integrated. Driving results. Scaling faster than teams can hire. The tech's not the problem. The missing piece is strategy. Without it, teams get stuck with tools that can act, but no idea when or why they should. That's where we come in. At CommLab India, we help global L&D teams use AI with purpose. We architect the flow, map the decisions, and deliver learning that feels like magic, but works like science. AI is already learning, adapting, and acting. The question is, are you building with it, or waiting for it? Visit commlabindia.com and let's train smarter, together.